we are playing, I am playing GTA with Cool Bro again for the third time. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot. Where are you? Fall. Snipers. So why I said that, guys, is because last time we tried to do this and record it, there was no snipers there, and now when I put in the other guns, yeah, they have snipers. So what a coincidence. Kelvin, I'm scared, like, for real. I feel like I'm gonna die. So easy. I can't go into... He gets the okay. Where am I? Kelvin, tell me when you... Kelvin, are you back? You can only use a marksman rifle. And you can only use even when I get up there. Oh shoot, here it comes. Oh my god! Shoot. This is easy. They're not even coming near me. Hello. Oh my gosh. Oh god. Oh my gosh, she's glitching out. Ah! Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh no, oh no! Ah! Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot! Oh, jukes, jukes for days, jukes for days. Oh my gosh. That was just jukes for days right there. Okay. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Oh gosh, jukes for days, I swear. What? Is somebody inside the Titan? What the? Wait, can I get inside the Saint? Can I can't now. I'm about to. You can't get inside the vehicles that's fall. That's all. That's the rule. You can't get inside the vehicles. That's all. No, I'm still here. Bro, I had juice for days. Oh gosh, no. What? What happened? It said I'm a winner. It say I'm the winner. I'm the winner. Hey, so let's go, guys. Let's go. I get cool all day, every day. And I'm sorry, guys, but that is the end of this video. So make sure you don't forget. And you will understand once you finish this video. Don't leave or don't pause it. Just finish it. And I